Good morning, everyone. Good morning, team. Welcome to our webinar, a market review, basically. I'm going to be brief with it, right? And just show you what I'm expecting from the market. Yes, I have been away for a while in terms of these reviews. Apologies. There's a lot that's been happening. There's a lot that I'm trying to sort out. There's a lot of things that I'm trying to make possible for traders, right? I'm working on other projects just to make your lives better and easier, you know, from simple thing like when I trade that you see my trades and you can copy my trades. So I'm sorting out all those things. And I've been obviously going touring a little bit and meeting people in different countries to better myself and to understand what's happening in the world. Anyway, so without wasting time, let's get straight to it, right? Let me share my screen. Okay. So always when we start, obviously, with a review, just check out the week, see what news could impact our movement. So I'm focused on USD as per usual. Um, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing USD news Thursday, right? So I'm expecting some movement Thursday on USD, right? So that's tomorrow. Okay, but I'm a long-term trader. Um, the one thing about me, I look for a long-term setup, something that will last 2 to 3 weeks. But yes, so I would look at the market through, let me actually show you. So an example, okay, this is a trade that I was looking at, right? From here, I saw this buy right about here on the 18th of September. I saw the buy for USD JPY, right? Now I knew that it was gonna buy, right? I saw this head and shoulders. I saw it's gonna buy. But now I focused on this setup. When I focus, so why I look for long term, so that if I'm looking for a buy, that means I'm looking for a buy for since the 17th until now it's like the 15th. So for the whole month, I've been just looking for buys on this pair. So that means I've been scalping buys. I'm a scalper, yes. Every day I'm a day trader. So every day I look for the perfect entries on lower time frames, like H1, right? So from this point, I was just looking for entries, you know, using my strategy, right? Every time I was looking for perfect entries just for buys, anything that gives me a buy indication. That's all I've been doing. Every day I look for a buy entry. If it's not there, I don't trade it. I look for the next day. But for the whole 30 days, I've been looking for a buy. It makes my life easier. Not this buy, sell thing that people do. Don't do that, you know? Why confuse yourself? You're going to confuse yourself with the direction of the market by doing that. So this is what I've been looking for, and this is what I do, right? So, okay, so let's get straight to it. So I was looking for a buy since the 17th of September. Cool. So for the past 30 days from then, I got it right, and it did go up, right? Cool. If I traded properly, lots of profit could have been made, right? Good, because I stuck to the direction. Right now, I'm expecting sales. Now, as I'm expecting sales, I'm looking for reversal candles. Look what time frame I'm using. I'm using daily time frame, right? To analyze. I'm not going to M15 to confuse myself. No, daily or above, right? So I'm looking for reversal candle patterns to tell me that this thing is reversing. So far, I'm seeing some pin bars. It might go higher, but I am looking for sales now on USD, right? Cool. So with that said, since I'm looking for sales, I look at other pairs to see if they are agreeing, right? Cool. So now DXY dollar index, right? This is the dollar index. I saw a 5 wave move down right? I anticipated this buy from this area, right? I can show you screenshots. They are there, you know, that I did catch it here. You'll see. But yeah, anyway, let's continue. Um, and then I anticipated this buy, right? So I expected at least 50% retracement of this down move. So that's the fib. I did expect that 50% at least retracement, and it did reach there. So now I'm looking for my cells in the zone, right? In that zone, that's 50% there. So in that zone, I'm looking for my cells. So since I'm looking for my cells, now I come closer, I look for reversal candles in this area to see that is it the right time to, is it still going to spike up or is it the right time to enter? So I wait. I am patient and I wait, right? And that candle there has a wick on top. So it's showing some resistance, you see, in that area. So that's a good indication, right? That it's about to turn. USD is about to be weak. So now on H4, maybe I'm looking for a double top, right? Once I see that double top, maybe price is just here below without these weeks here, just somewhere here below. Then I can enter that long-term sell right down there. And then I scalp it all the way down, right? Day trade it all the way down. So just showing you how I trade. Anyway, so let's get straight to what we're anticipating. We're anticipating sells dollar to weaken, right? I'm expecting dollar to weaken. Maybe not all the way down here, but at least somewhere minimum to this area here. I'm expecting dollar to weaken till that area there, right? At least to that area. That's a lot of money. Cool. So dollar weakness expected. What agrees with that? My USD JPY setup, right? So I'm expecting sales also here. So it's agreeing that dollar's going to be weak. Cool, right? 100%. Okay. Then let's go to USD ZAR. USD ZAR, I'm seeing a 5-wave move down, right? This block, price was consolidating, it broke out of here, right? Once it breaks up, it has to come back to the place where it broke out, retest that zone, and to fall further down. If I zoom in closer, do I see indications of a sell? Yes, there's always weeks in this area. So it's about to drop, right? Just have to be patient and enter at the right time or enter with small lot sizes. So USDs I'm looking for a drop, a sell, right? Bitcoin also, I'm looking for a sell. Yes, I understand. That means I'm saying USD is going to be strong, but I'm just looking at what I'm looking at, what my chart is showing me. There's a resistance on this trend line. If it breaks out, retest on top, probably going to go up, but I'm looking at the zone to see if there's a resistance, right? And I'm seeing some resistance here. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to drop, right? USD CAD, that's what I'm looking for. Remember what I said previously? That was a consolidation area. Price broke out here in this area here, right? Went all the way down, came up. Now it's retesting that breakout area, right? And that's why I'm expecting that drop of price, right? So it is working out. I had sent a chart out to people, but yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the 5 pairs that I need. I don't need more, you know. Focusing jack of all trades, master of none, you know. So I'm fine with these 5 pairs. I'm fine. They look good. They're respecting price the way I want them to. I don't need other pairs, right? So some people have favorites, etc. But I'm looking at only these 5. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for DXY sell, USD JPY sell, USD ZAR sell, Bitcoin. I'm still looking at this zone for a possible drop. USD CAD, I'm looking for the drop sell. Then the others look I'm just gonna look at them, but I'm just viewing them. Don't focus on them. I'm focused on these. All right. Gold is playing on top. Go to a higher time frame to see if there's any indication of a sell. Looking at that candle, it looks bullish. There's no wick there. So chances are it's still gonna push up, but it's too high. So I wouldn't trade that. I wouldn't force that. I'm not interested, you know. Um, the indices like Nasdaq and them, okay. So it's sort of in that area that I told you, consolidation, came back, retest, right? It's trying to break out of there, but there's no candle close above the zone that I've drawn. So anticipating possible sells there, right? Cool. But I need at least but an evening star, a red full candle to actually try and trade this thing, you know. So there hasn't been full red candles for a while, you know. This is weekly time frame, by the way. You can see that it's been bullish. So it's only trying to be bearish right now. Zoom in, right? Now there's some interesting candle. You see, this is a bearish engulfing. That smaller candle is like swallowed by the red candle. Then price dropped. See, even there, smaller candle swallowed by a big candle drop. Here, look what's happening here. Small candle swallowed by a bigger red candle, which is called a bearish engulfing. And then that's giving me some confidence that definitely there should be a drop coming, you know. So I'm looking possibly for that drop now. I've got confirmation, something that's telling me that it's definitely going to happen. So can't find the arrow now. Why? Yeah, so I'm anticipating some drop till there, possibly first. Let's see if it comes there at least to that zone. To that zone that has been creating wicks. So there's buyers here. So I'm looking to sell from there to there. Let's see. Then, yeah, I don't want to look into any more and confuse you, but focus on these ones, you know, see what happens there. Gold, please leave it for now. You know, we will see it next week. So yeah, let's see how to happen. By the way, yeah, so I'm back on Chartfully. We've got only 2 months left until December. Actually, till the year ends, you know, it's November and December. So let's try and get some money to have a good end to the year. So I'm going to be focused on chat 100%, 100%. So you're going to get these reviews every week. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the week.